Hello everyone, I am Ankita and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. In this video, we will be talking about everything related to OpenCart. But do you know what is OpenCart? Well, I am here to tell you. OpenCart is an online store management system. It is PHP based using a MySQL database and HTML components. Support is provided for different languages and currencies. It is freely available under the GNU public license. As of May 2016, 342,000 websites were using OpenCart. Now, let us discuss what are the features of OpenCart. OpenCart is a complete e-commerce solution that lets you launch your online store, add or manage your product list, let your customers use a shopping cart to buy them, and then process their orders. Basically, OpenCart delivers all the standard online store functionality you might need. OpenCart is open source. This means that everything about the OpenCart script is free and that you'll also be allowed to modify the platform however you see it. The interesting part is that you also get a lifetime support and free software updates. Now, here are the main features of OpenCart. Unlimited categories, unlimited products and manufacturers, sell digital products, multi-currency supported, multilingual, product reviews and product ratings can be extended with templates, more than 20 payment gateways, more than 8 shipping methods, PCI compliant, multiple tax rates, shipping calculations, weight and size, discount coupon system, sales reports, backup and restore tools, and printable invoices. Now the question arises, is OpenCart secure? OpenCart, like some other CMS, can be called a relatively secure platform. However, as with other content management systems, it is better to immediately take care of the security and protection of your site from hacking by unauthorized persons. The basic tips that you will need to improve the OpenCart security of your site are as follows. Number 1. Hiding the login to the administrative panel. Number 2. Change the administrator's login and password. Number 3. Change access rights for important files. Number 4. Failure to display errors. The numerous reasons why to choose OpenCart for your online store are as follows. Number 1. OpenCart is free. The platform is free and this way your only cost becomes buying domain and hosting for your website. Of course, there are paid modules or functionalities to it, but they are obligatory and are very strictly individual. Use it if you want to customize your shop in a particular manner or according to a specific need. So OpenCart is a free platform and this would mean that anyone can download it and therefore go through its code. Therefore, is it easier to hack? The answer is no. When a system is open source, it is even more secure. OpenCart, for example, has numerous followers and communities that contribute to its development. When there are problems, they are deducted much faster and respectively, their solution is also rapid, more efficient and free. As a contrast, SaaS platforms are on a subscription basis, whereby one must pay a monthly fee. These platforms also impose much restrictions on the store itself and its development. In OpenCart, there's no limits in categories, products, customers, developments, and many others. Number 2, ease for development. Anyone who has experience with PHP and knows the MVC structure very well can easily and quickly get familiar with the matter and respectively start making extensions and modify topics. But even if you are not so familiar with all of this, this platform is built as extremely pleasant one and very easy to work with. Hence, there is a huge diversity and free and paid solutions that can save you days, even months of work. You can find a list of extensions, for example, here www.opencart.com. Themes go the same way. Many people think that if they use the same platform and an open platform in general, their website can easily be copied by some other website in its degree, design, appearance and functionality. But this is not the case. OpenCart offers a wide range of themes through which you can customize your shop in different ways and make it look unique, different and yours. Number 3. OpenCart and SEO. OpenCart is one of the best, maybe even the best, optimized e-commerce platforms. The things we need for a good optimization, OpenCart provides. From fields for meta titles and descriptions, alternative tags, inserting metadata as schemes, organization to modules that allow us to automatically manipulate all the main pages, categories and products on our online store. Example, SEO, Mega Pack. Most settings are even required. In that way, we can fully protect ourselves from unpleasant results at Google. We also have a space for personalized URL for each product category information page where we can put the so-called pretty URLs. So if we have a product iPhone, and with which option will you rank better in Google? Another very important factor in SEO is the loading speed of the website. It is in fact important not only for good positioning in search engines but also for your users. Even if you have any interesting products, great promotions, innovative design, etc., if each click around your site, it takes more than a few seconds to load, this especially goes in the opening of the home page, the customer will change his preference from your company and the interest from your company to another website. Expect our new article that will show you how to speed your online store soon. Number 4, analysis and statistics. With OpenCart, you can make various statistics which will help you analyze the success of your online store. For example, you can check which are the most viewed products on the website or which are the most purchased one. You can check the number of orders by day, week, month, year, can fully analyze the behavior of your customers and visitors and their activity on our website. Even which customers have ordered from your website can be checked. OpenCart gives us the ability to extract data for the overall behavior of our customers at our online presentation. On this basis, we can build new marketing strategies, corporate policies, and change, if needed, our online behavior. For everything else, there is Google Analytics. Number 5, possibility for more than one store, language, or currency. OpenCart allows us to have more than one store with only one administrative panel. Often, when our business is performing very well in a given territory, we want to go in a foreign market and expand our business there. Instead of having to copy the whole website with any change, functionality, extra or addition, we have made to complicate our work and store duties for day and sometimes weeks ahead. We can simply add it on the We Have Now website. Technically, we create another shop with a different description, name, login, and even we can add another theme. Number 6, clients and client groups. One of the best features of the platform is the possibility of dividing our customer into groups. We can literally divide our clients into countless subdivisions. For example, we can create a separate group for our wholesale clients and respectively make them special offers and offer a certain price displayed only to them. You can add different price for a set of products. For example, the price of a kit with 10 products can be discounted. We can create promotions for some customer groups. For example, if you have a group of loyal customers, we can make it so that only they can see a certain discount on certain items in our assortment to provide them a completely different promotion. If, for example, we work with different distributors or are representatives of some brand, we can make sure that only registered customers see certain prices on our online store. Number 7, affiliate. Affiliate marketing is the way in which our customers of people not involved in our business become part of it. In brief, they promote our products and earn commission for each sale that is made thanks to them. There is a huge amount of resources on the topic. We recommend that you read about the history of Amazon because in addition to obtaining new and useful information, you will become really inspired. Thanks to OpenCart, we can start an affiliate program with just a few clicks. The platform enables us to easily use the commissions and approve affiliates. All that is left is for them to start working for us. Now, these were all just the numerous reasons why we should start using OpenCart. Some other reasons being extras such as coupons, vouchers, promotions and others. Now comes the question, making an OpenCart website is pretty good and that can make us earn a lot of money. But do we need to hire a web development company to do it for us? Well, the answer is yes. And we at Quality Zone Infotech offer all the features and facilities and a lot of benefits for making your OpenCart website. Hiring an OpenCart eCommerce website development company is always a better choice because they have years of experience and huge knowledge in the field. And similarly, we, Quality Zone Infotech, have been working for years and years and have gained expertise in this field. In addition to it, we know all the ins and outs in the online business, so we can help you with utmost care to direct your business into result-driven solution. Along with this, we work hard to make you get 100% satisfaction with our service. We also guide you in every stage of the product development cycle so that you can make your dream e-commerce site easily. It not only will increase the number of site visitors, but will also set everything inside it perfectly with 100% accuracy. Now comes the question, why choose us? Choose us because we provide professional OpenCart experts, affordable OpenCart development services, 24/7 support, 100% client satisfaction, time-to-time work report, free 3-month maintenance, online support, and lots. You can check our website for all the details relating to the OpenCart website development package. Coming back, we have worked with a lot of clients and we have always given them 100% satisfaction. Some of the clients that we have worked with are Lab Solution India, Akrit Creative Design, Partition Museum, WVT India Tours, Shabd Chitra, etc. You can visit their websites and have a glance of how we have made their page. You can check out our website. The link for the same is provided in the description box below. Our client's portfolio is also updated on our page, so you can check them out. The link will be provided in the description box. So what are you waiting for? If you want to start your e-commerce website and want to get it done by us, then hurry up, go, contact us. Every details are present in the description box below. Hurry up, check it out and get yours done soon. Thank you so much.